Okay, so we have made some makeshift little shoes out of clothespins and a rag. And the bubbles
are
still coming out.
Stay where you are.
They're not going to stay. Zoe,
What?
how'd this happen?
I didn't mean to, okay? I wanted to help.
So you're the culprit.
Both of us are the culprits. You're calling me. Really?
It's not going to stop, Zoe.
Yes, it is.
This is the fourth cycle.
I'll make it. I'll make it.
No, don't put it there. Don't block it. Because I want it to come out of the washer. I'm sick of running it.
Why are you keep on coming out? Why?
I said we get our swimsuits on and slide on it.
Yeah, slip and slide.
Yeah.
I'm going to get my shower and
I can't because my toe.